Hello everyone, today we'll be doing a chicken mukbang. Alright, let's start. We got some shallot chicken. That's pretty good actually. Dip in some sweet and sour. What's that in the back? Oh, honey garlic sauce. Yo, and we got some more. Let's dip in some ranch. I'm gonna low-key dip it in some cheese. Can I not dip it in cheese? Honey mustard. We got one more. I'm gonna dip it in some more cheese. Alright, let's take some of this steak chicken. Blue coffee chicken, baked chicken. Let's grab some candied chicken. I feel like this will taste super good with some sweet and sour honey garlic sauce. And some sweet and sour too. Three candied chicken. Alright, let's dip it in some sweet and sour and some honey mustard. We got one more, so I'm gonna dip this in ranch, cheese. How do I go back? Alright, cheese, honey garlic, sweet and sour, and honey mustard. Right, we got some 2 takes chicken right here. Yo, we got a bunch of dip in here. Let's see it normal. I'm just gonna dip in both of these with some cheese sauce. These are pretty good actually. We have some blue Takis, some cheese. Yo, this is pretty good, I can't even lie. It's pretty good. I low-key like this. This is really good. Alright, let's keep eating. Today is a chicken only mukbang, so hopefully, I might make another one of these. So yeah, only if you guys enjoyed this chicken mukbang. So we got some. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure it's spicy sauce. Where's the spicy sauce? Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Right, we're back into normal. We got some flaming hot, and we got some. Oh my gosh! There we go. Spicy sauce. Ooh, that's hot. All right. That was spicy. We're done with 4 plates. That'll be 5 plates. We're almost done with this mukbang. Alright. 4 more chickens right here. You see that combo? And some cheese sauce right there. We got some cheesy. And some honey mustard. Oh, double cheese. Let's see this. Ooh, look at that cheese pull. Let's grab 2 more. Honey mustard one. Honey garlic. Ooh, I love sweet and sour sauce. Alright, we got 3 more. 3 more cheesy chickens. To make it some justice, some cheese. This is good. got 2 more plates. We got 2 more plates. We got normal fried chicken, aka the best type of chicken. Honestly, I love any chicken. Alright, let's eat some snowy chicken. That's gonna be the honor chicken right there. Alright. All these chickens. Let's down all the chickens. Last 3. Alright, last chicken. Best type of chicken. Spicy sauce, cheese sauce, ranch, honey mustard. Alright, let's see. Ooh, okay. Alright, everyone, this is the end of the mukbang. Of the chicken mukbang. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah. Where? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's raining right now, so yeah, I luckily got escaped. So, yeah, anyways. Goodbye, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.